Today we have here is the Photive 10-inch selfie ring light with remote and tripod stand. I will be unboxing this product and just previewing this product and sharing with my thoughts about it. Before I begin, please click the subscribe button to my channel on the bottom right hand corner, and also share your comments or hit the like button if you feel this video has provided some benefit to you. Thank you. So we have here is the Photive 10-inch selfie ring light. And I think if you're familiar with ring lights, these here are very similar alike. There's a lot of different companies that package these, but they pretty much do very similar thing. They have 3 color setting modes: cold, warm, and mixed. So that's number 1. Second thing is that they have 10 brightness levels. They have 25%, 50%, and 100%. And the third thing is they all come with remote control. They basically come with a power on and off, a mode setting, cold, warm, or mix, decreased brightness, and increased brightness. Now this one right here says that it's for iPhone and Samsung Galaxy and most smartphones. And basically the reason why it's for most smartphones is because where you insert your phone, that's just a stretcher, and basically any phone will fit on there as long as it's within the size of the stretcher. Now these are perfect for live streaming, makeups, selfie, and recordings. And a lot of these small ones are more for like putting on the desk or maybe putting on a coffee table, and then pretty much just doing makeup or anything that doesn't involve too much of like having to show a huge product that's like maybe 5-inch tall or any like bulk items. So this is like my video here. It would work for my video here too that I'm doing right now, because I'm doing something which is just very close to the camera, and it's just the LED light is 10 inches and it's just some brightness for me. So yeah, so that's an example of what you can use it for. You can probably use it for other things too. Once again, if there's any comments you would like to share, feel free to share me a comment, and also hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you. Or if you want to. So let's unbox this. So this is the front, and then this is your back. So again, they all come with a ring light like this, round, with a remote control that's with the ring light. They also always come with a tripod, which is very important. They have the item to connect the phone with the little ball so that it can actually hook on to the screwer. And this right here is where you actually latch on the phone piece. And this is your phone screw, which I'm talking about right here, where you're turning. Now, one thing I noticed about this box here is that it didn't come with a instruction manual, which most of the time these items would have. But in this case, it didn't come with it. So I don't know why it didn't come with it, but we'll have to work around it. So let's make sure. Okay, yep, there is no manual in here. Okay. So you can use it any way you want to set it up, and kind of proceed from there. Actually, you know what? I'm wrong. There is a manual. It's actually within the ring light. So this is your manual right here, which kind of shows you what to do and some of the safety and the warranty that are part of it. And this one is very detailed. It gives you an idea of what you're getting: your ring light, tripod, your phone holder, the piece that hooks the phone, the piece right there that actually kind of the flexibility, and your remote on the bottom. So let's get to actually take a look at this. It also has installation instructions, which is very good. So your safety, always read the safety and always read the warranty. That's very important with these electrical products. So okay, let me go ahead and set it up. Now, using the instructions from the manual is the best probably, But, you know, for me, because I've done many of these, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of, you know, just attach it from my experience. So if you notice, if you unscrew this item, this hole gets bigger and bigger, which will fit this metallic ball in there. Boom, there you go. So once it goes in there, just screw it. And now it's held up in there. And then now, you know, you can actually see flexibility of this. It's kind of like a stand. So let me grab an iPhone. So this is one of my older iPhones. So I'm just going to put it in here, kind of do an example. And then also this thing, as I can say, is a stretcher. So it stretches out. Boom. So my phone's in there. So let's go ahead and pull the ring light out. So there's your ring light right here. And I'm going to be turning it on too to make sure it works. There's this opening right there. You basically just take this piece right here and just screw it in there. So let me go ahead and just flex this over. Boom, that's the phone. And you just, you know what? Let me just take the phone off. It'll be easier from a visual standpoint. Just want to screw it in there. So screw it in there to the ring light. Share me some comments. Have you guys used this product and how do you like it? And also, if you could subscribe to my channel once again on the bottom right corner and just click the subscribe button. And leave me a like if you would like. You stick my phone back in there. Okay, so my phone's back in there, room right there. Oh, let me just get this straight. Right there, there we go. Right there, that's your ring light. So since I have the ring light here, I'm just gonna go over this remote control that comes up here. And again, with all these products, they always come with just a USB power cord. So you have to actually buy the adapter. You can just probably use one of your iPhone adapters. So the red button here is your on and off switch. The one of the subtraction negative sign is, you know, the brightness to calm it down. There's like 10 levels of brightness. This plus right here is to increase brightness. And then this is your kind of like your base, the in-between brightness once you click on that. So let me go ahead and include this piece here. So this piece is kind of like your piece which allows you to kind of toggle back and forth your ring light. You notice it kind of moves. So let me just kind of see. If I loosen this grip, so it just kind of flows out there, you know. It's like a ball. So let me just tighten it up right now. There we go. To keep it straight. And then boom, tighten it. Now it can go. So let's go ahead and screw it into the ring light. So there's a screw on the bottom. Easier this way. Okay. So we have it in there. And then the last thing we need to do is insert the tripod just to build it out. So let's go ahead and just screw the tripod, screw into the last piece right here, the circle right here. And once we do that, then voila, we're ready to go. Okay, so let me go ahead and just open this tripod legs. So as I can see, you can see this is really ideal for somebody who's doing kind of like makeups or anything like that. So I'm just going to lower my iPhone. So my iPhone's there. Now the great thing is you're going to have to be able to get some LED lights in the back. So let me go ahead and just plug this plug in and I can turn it on, which will be our final step to make sure that it works. Okay, so as you can see, the remote control lights up. So basically I would click the red button and that's my light right there, and my phone. I can start doing videos. The subtraction, lower it. There's 10 levels. Increase it. And I just want to do the in between, neutral right here. Just kind of like your warm setting to neutral. So there you go. So this is the product. This is the Photive 10-inch selfie ring light. Do I like this product? I feel that it's really good for beginners. It's great to just use it in the beginning, especially if you want something that's very affordable. The price on this is like $16.99 at Marshall's or TJ Maxx, but you know, it retails for probably like what I would say, when I did my research, it retails for like $22 or more. So that's pretty much, you know, where we stand from the cost wise. So, you know, it's 16-inch tall with the base. And, you know, it works for a lot of different phones. It's really ideal. I mean, it gives you what you need to do your job, depending on what your job is, of course, that you're trying to, you know, for your videos. But would I use it now if I was trying to do more like bulkier items or bigger items? Probably not, because just I want something that's more of an overhead above me and not in front of me with the light. But it is very useful and it works well if you're doing makeups or just selfies or live streaming. So there you go. Let me know what you think about this video. Feel free to comment. Let me know if you have this product, you used it. And again, subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button. Thank you.